Hey guys, it's Karim from Canterbury Hills again. I have another cool science experiment for you guys this week. There are two this week, and the first one is called plant dyeing. It's very cool, very easy to do, and it takes about 3 to 24 hours to do at home. 24 hours if you want really good results. 3 hours if you're just looking for some really quick results. They won't be as effective, but in this glass here, I have food coloring mixed with food coloring and water and two different plants that I found out. Sorry, one plant that I found outside and one that I found in my fridge. So I have a stick of celery here, along with a weed of some sort that I found outside. It's pretty simple. All I did was put the roughly 3 drops, I think it was, of food coloring into a glass of water, and all you're gonna do is just let it sit here. So far, our small thin plant has some small leaves on it that have turned purple. The bigger leaves up here kind of have a little bit of a purple tint actually. You can't really see it in the camera. This one right here is definitely on the end, turning purple a little bit. But it's not too noticeable yet. So it's only been, I think 3 hours so far. So we're gonna leave it till tomorrow. Come back and see what we have. And then again, this big piece of celery. It is working for the celery, but at home I suggest cutting off the stalk. So where it turns white, it's green up here, and then it's white roughly here. I would do a small cut right there and try to get it on an angle. So if you're gonna cut it this way. But with the celery, the purple is kind of starting to move up the middle of it in the stem. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can definitely see a little bit of a tint in it, a little color change. And by tomorrow, this stalk of celery, along with the plant that I got from outside, should be purple. It should look very cool. So I will come back tomorrow and show you guys my final results. And if this works for you guys, do send us some pictures that we can share on social media. Enjoy. Good morning, guys. It's Karim from Canterbury Hills again. I'm just coming at you with a kind of check-in after our 24-hour waiting period. The celery stalk has completely dyed purple. It has gone up the plant and it has absorbed up until here. I made the mistake of not cutting this off. So this whole white part where it kind of expands at the bottom, it like goes straight down and then it kind of expands here and it's white, whereas this is green. I should have cut that off, and I also should have cut it on an angle instead of straight, flat, and it would have absorbed much better. The middle of the plant, you guys still can't really see it, but there's a stem going up the middle and you can see some purple going up. This would have been much more effective, I just learned, if I cut the white part off. So this definitely will work for you at home if you cut the white part off. Our little flower weed that I got in the garden, it's dried and shriveled out a little bit, but it is purple. The leaves are purple. I don't know if how well you can tell. The stem itself is a little wet, completely purple. The leaves are very light, but they are purple. So where I got this experiment from, the website I read this off of said that a 3 to 24 hour waiting period will just create a little bit of a color tint to flowers and plants, but for celery, it should have absorbed much quicker. But for effective results, 48 hours, 2 days, 48 hours, will give you noticeable results that you can keep in your room or on a windowsill. Yeah, if this does work for you guys at home, feel free to share with Canterbury Hills. Thank you very much.